Hey, what's up everybody? And welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important for everyone, recognizing the early signs of a stroke. You see, a stroke can happen unexpectedly, sometimes without clear warnings. But often, our bodies try to tell us something's wrong. Knowing these signs could be the difference between life, death, or long-term disability. Remember, knowledge is power, and early detection can dramatically improve outcomes. So let's get started, shall we? Let's talk about the first sign: sudden confusion or trouble speaking. Imagine this. You're having a normal conversation, then suddenly you can't seem to find the right words. You feel confused, disoriented, and your thoughts are jumbled. This can be a major red flag for a stroke. The areas of the brain responsible for speech and understanding can be affected, leading to this confusing experience. If you or someone around you experiences this sudden onset of confusion or difficulty communicating, don't brush it off. Time is of the essence when it comes to stroke, so call emergency services immediately. Our second warning sign is sudden numbness or weakness, particularly on one side of the body. You might feel like your arm is heavy, your leg is dragging, or your face is drooping. This is because a stroke disrupts blood flow to the brain, impacting the nerves responsible for movement and sensation. This weakness can be subtle, like difficulty gripping a pen, or more noticeable, like a complete inability to move your arm. Any sudden change in your ability to move or feel your body should be taken seriously. Don't hesitate, seek medical attention immediately. Moving on to our third sign: sudden vision problems. This can manifest in various ways. You might experience blurry vision, double vision, or even complete loss of vision in one or both eyes. The visual cortex in our brain relies on a constant blood supply to function correctly. When a stroke occurs, this blood flow is disrupted, leading to these vision disturbances. If you suddenly find yourself struggling to see clearly, don't wait to see if it goes away. Seek immediate medical help. Our fourth sign is sudden trouble walking, dizziness, loss of balance, or lack of coordination. You might feel unsteady on your feet, as if you're about to fall, or have difficulty coordinating your movements. The cerebellum, the part of our brain responsible for balance and coordination, is highly sensitive to changes in blood flow caused by a stroke. Remember, sudden dizziness or balance issues are not normal. It's crucial to seek immediate medical attention if you experience any of these symptoms. Now let's talk about the fifth warning sign: a sudden severe headache that comes out of nowhere. This isn't your typical tension headache. It's usually described as the worst headache of someone's life. When a stroke occurs, the sudden change in blood flow and pressure within the brain can trigger this intense pain. If you experience a headache that's unlike anything you felt before, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms on this list, don't hesitate to call for help. The sixth warning sign we're covering is sudden difficulty understanding speech. While we discussed trouble speaking earlier, this is about the ability to comprehend what others are saying. It's like the words are going in one ear and out the other. This occurs when the areas of the brain responsible for processing language are affected by the stroke. If you or someone around you suddenly struggles to grasp the meaning of words or sentences, it's a sign that requires urgent medical attention. Our seventh warning sign is sudden nausea or vomiting without a clear cause. This isn't the kind of upset stomach you get after eating something questionable. This nausea is often intense and persistent, and it can be accompanied by dizziness. The brainstem, which controls basic functions like breathing and heart rate, can be affected during a stroke, leading to these symptoms. If you experience sudden, unexplained nausea or vomiting, especially alongside other symptoms on this list, seek immediate medical attention. Let's talk about our eighth sign: sudden hiccups. While hiccups are common and usually harmless, they can sometimes signal a stroke, especially when they appear suddenly and persistently. The brainstem, which is responsible for regulating many bodily functions, can be affected during a stroke, leading to these uncontrollable hiccups. While hiccups alone might not always be cause for alarm, if they persist and are accompanied by other symptoms we've discussed, it's best to seek medical advice. The ninth sign we're discussing is sudden tiredness or fatigue. This isn't the kind of tiredness you feel after a long day. This is a sudden, overwhelming exhaustion that comes out of nowhere. The brain requires a significant amount of energy to function properly. When a stroke disrupts blood flow, the brain's energy supply is compromised, leading to this intense fatigue. If you experience a wave of exhaustion that's unusual for you, especially if it comes with other symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical attention. Finally, our 10th warning sign is sudden chest pain. This pain can feel like a tight, crushing sensation in the chest, often accompanied by shortness of breath. While chest pain is commonly associated with heart attacks, it can also occur during a stroke. The brain, in an attempt to compensate for the lack of oxygen, can send signals that trigger chest pain. If you experience sudden, unexplained chest pain, especially along with other symptoms on this list, don't dismiss it as heartburn or indigestion. Seek immediate medical attention. If you or someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, even if they seem to come and go, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Do not wait to see if symptoms improve on their own, as prompt treatment is essential for minimizing the impact of a stroke. Calling emergency services right away can save lives and improve outcomes for stroke survivors. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding the 10 warning signs of a stroke. Remember, recognizing these signs and acting quickly can make all the difference. Thanks for joining me on this health journey. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.